Hello. So today we will talk about the next topic of Sturm-Liouville problem and general Fourier transform. Okay. The Sturm-Liouville problem and generalized Fourier series. So why we talk about this topic? What is the importance of the Sturm-Liouville problem? The Sturm-Liouville problem is basically a second-order ODE with boundary conditions, and this boundary conditions is homogeneous. Okay, so the Sturm-Liouville, let's just say SL here, problem is essentially a second-order ODE with homogeneous boundary value boundary conditions. And we will talk in detail what do we mean by the second order ODE with homogeneous boundary conditions. Okay. And we will, it's also essentially an eigenvalue problem, eigenvector problem. Okay. The Sturm-Liouville problem is also eigenvector problem. It's essentially solving, and you can get the solution set is an eigenvector problem in the end. And what is the importance of the Sturm-Liouville problem? The importance of Sturm-Liouville problem. So because of the solution is an eigenvector problem, the solution of this Sturm-Liouville problem always are orthogonal, and we will talk about the orthogonal properties later as well. That's why it's very important because the solution format is an orthogonal format, so it's very important for our general Fourier series. So that is important since the solutions of SL problem produce a set of orthogonal functions, and that will be important for application will generalize Fourier series. And what is the motivation about this Sturm-Liouville problem? What kind of problem type will have this kind of solution using Sturm-Liouville problem set? So one of the motivation is a Schrödinger type problem. So it's much more often to see this Schrödinger type problem in quantum mechanics. You will see, for example, the H phi will be equals to E phi, where this H is the Hamiltonian operator. It's basically an operator like differential operators. It can include different types of Hamiltonian. For example, the total energy Hamiltonian will be including the atomic, electronic, kinetic energy, potential energy, and their interaction, atomic, electronic, or electronic interactions. Those operators working on the wave function will be equals to their eigenvalues operate on the wave functions. So this type of problem usually fall into the type Sturm-Liouville problem side. Okay, and also it is important. Another motivation. The Sturm-Liouville problem also very useful for the PDE, which we will talk about later. Partial differential equations. And next, we will just give a brief definition of the Sturm-Liouville problem, how you can decide whether your problem is a SL problem or not. Then we make a couple examples how we can solve this kind of problem and what is the solution look like, okay?